Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, call 866-945-2700. We're available 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you will find our email and website info. Vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you. We act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases, we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and give you additional perks. Please click the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It tells YouTube to share my channel with other people looking for vacation content. We publish a new video every 2 weeks. Enjoy the video and talk to you soon. Bye. Disney Wish, cabin 7582, balcony. Let's take a look. RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel, going in balcony cabin 7582. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. What do we have over here? I love this 2-room setup. Very good, very good. What do we got in here? Room number 2. Nice tub and shower. Oh, I know that person. Very nice. Very clean. We got a safe over here. Got some shelves. Yes, and it is the Disney Wish. What's over here? Oh. More hangers. Very nice. Oh, there's another one. I like it. I like it. As you can see, it is an adjoining cabin. So if you're going with people that you like, this is a great cabin for you. I see USB over there. USB over there. Pictures are always just awesome. Oh yeah, look at that hair dryer. More space. Oh yeah, I like. More light switches. Oh, look at a little refrigerator. Different. Balcony. It's great. 2 chairs, table, and those partitions open up, which we'll be opening up our partition. Excellent. What could I say? Disney does it right. Oh, and this has bunk beds, additional beds from the top. Very good. And that was cabin 7582, balcony on the Disney Wish.